Hello Teddy! Today, we're going to dive into the vibrant and diverse country of Guyana. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey through this fascinating land. First off, let's talk about the history of Guyana. This country has a rich and complex history, shaped by the interactions between indigenous peoples, European colonizers, and African slaves. Guyana's diverse culture is a testament to its rich history, with influences from various ethnic groups, including the Amerindians, Africans, Indians, and Chinese. Now, let's move on to the location of Guyana. This beautiful country is situated on the northeastern coast of South America, bordered by Venezuela to the west, Brazil to the south and southeast, and Suriname to the east. When it comes to touring Guyana, there's no shortage of things to do. From exploring the lush rainforest to visiting the stunning Kaieteur Falls, Guyana offers a range of exciting activities for all types of travelers. If you're looking for a place to stay, Guyana has a variety of accommodations to suit your needs. From cozy hotels to luxurious resorts, you'll find a perfect spot to rest your head after a day of exploring. When it comes to food, Guyana has a delicious and diverse cuisine. From the spicy and flavorful curries to the fresh seafood, Guyana's food scene is a must-try for any foodie. For families looking for fun activities, Guyana has plenty to offer. From visiting the Stabroek Market to exploring the botanical gardens, there's something for everyone in this family-friendly destination. If you're looking for some beach time, Guyana has some beautiful beaches to relax on. From the pristine white sand to the crystal clear waters, Guyana's beaches are a perfect place to unwind. For those who enjoy a night out, Guyana has a vibrant nightlife scene. From live music to dancing, Guyana has something for everyone to enjoy after the sun goes down. Finally, if you're interested in learning more about the culture of Guyana, there are plenty of opportunities to immerse yourself in the local traditions and customs. From visiting the St. George's Cathedral to learning about the indigenous peoples, Guyana offers a unique cultural experience. And that's a wrap on our journey through Guyana. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about Guyana or other travel destinations, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy travels!